Welcome guys. In this video I'm gonna show you how we can download ISO file of Windows 11. So let's start. We need to open up a browser and type here download ISO file of Windows 11 and hit enter. Go on this official website. No, I want a ISO file, and here you need to select Windows 11 and click on download. Here you need to choose language. Let's choose, I'm choosing here English and confirm. I'm using Windows 11 required 64-bit, so you must go with this. Click on this and save it and OK. So here our downloading starts. 5.1 GB size. It takes time 10 to 15 minutes. So let's wait. So our downloading finished. Let's check. Go inside your download section. Yeah, here it is, Windows 11. In my next video I'm gonna show you that how we can install Windows 11 machine inside our VirtualBox. So let's wait, and please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys.